You look at specific jumps in human evolution, and the one that people talk about is obviously the stoned ape theory, which is, why did we double in cranial size between 2 million years ago, Homo habilis, and Homo sapiens 300,000 years ago? That's really trippy. Maybe it was because as hunter-gatherers, we were following, animals. Animals take shits, and there's psilocybin cubensis, or, grow on poop. And, and then people would, trip out. They'd take these mushrooms and they trip out, and then you get like neurogenesis, and you get these epigenetic changes, and you get this doubling of cranial size. But what's the other big break in human evolution 10,000 years ago, which is the advent of civilization and culture? And think about, what really is the kind of the line break there? What happened? We created, an agrarian society, like basically agriculture. So you have wheat, barley, and rye were the first crops that we grew. And what grows on wheat, barley, and rye? Ergot, and these sort of psychedelic substances. And so I think a lot of people assume that the agriculture gets created, and then you get specialization, you get urbanization, you get history, you get religion. All of these things are downstream of like, we have more time. We can think about this stuff. But what if they're downstream of the tripping that occurred?